Hey Fitness Fanatics, fuel up right. All right, guys and gals, smashed your workout today? Feeling amazing? You should. But hold on, the workout isn't over just yet. What you eat after your session is just as important as the workout itself. Think of it like this. You wouldn't drive a car without fuel, right? Your body needs fuel after a workout too. Muscles crave Grub. After a good workout. When you exercise, you push your muscles to their limit. They work hard, and in the process, they get a bit worn down. This is a good thing. It means you're challenging yourself and getting stronger. But to rebuild and recover, your muscles need the right nutrients. That's where post-workout nutrition comes in. Busy life, tired muscles, no time? No problem. I get it. Life gets busy. You're rushing from work to the gym, then back home, and the last thing you want to do is spend hours in the kitchen. But healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. That's why I'm sharing my quick and easy post-workout recipe that's perfect for busy bees like you. Chicken and Quinoa Power Bowl, your new go-to. Introducing the Chicken and Quinoa Power Bowl. This is not just any meal, it's a powerhouse of nutrition designed to fuel your body and keep you energized throughout the day. This bowl is packed with protein, healthy carbs, and essential nutrients to refuel your body after a tough workout. Whether you're hitting the gym, going for a run, or just need a nutritious meal to get you through a busy day, this Power Bowl has got you covered. It's simple to make, totally customizable, and oh so delicious. You can mix and match ingredients based on your preferences or what you have on hand, making it a versatile option for any meal. Here's what you need. Cooked chicken breast, grilled, baked, or shredded. Cooked quinoa, which is a fantastic source of plant-based protein and fiber. Your favorite veggies. I love spinach, bell peppers, which add a nice crunch and vibrant color to the bowl, and cucumbers. A drizzle of olive oil, which adds healthy fats and a rich flavor. A squeeze of lemon juice, which brings a refreshing tanginess to the dish, and salt and pepper to taste. These simple seasonings enhance the natural flavors of the ingredients without overpowering them. Instructions. Grab a bowl and add your desired amount of cooked quinoa. This will be the base of your Power Bowl, providing a hearty and nutritious foundation. Top with cooked chicken breast. Add your chopped veggies. Feel free to get creative here. Add as many or as few as you like, depending on your taste and nutritional needs. Drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice. These ingredients not only add flavor, but also help in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins from the vegetables. Season with salt and pepper. Adjust the seasoning to your liking, ensuring every bite is perfectly balanced. Toss everything together and enjoy. This Chicken and Quinoa Power Bowl is not just a meal. It's a celebration of wholesome, nutritious ingredients coming together to create something truly delicious. Perfect for meal prep, you can make a big batch and enjoy it throughout the week. So, next time you're looking for a quick, healthy, and satisfying meal, remember this Power Bowl. Your body will thank you. Section 5. What's in the bowl? Power-packed goodness. Today, we're diving into a bowl that's not just delicious, but also packed with nutrients to fuel your body and mind. This isn't just any ordinary meal. It's a carefully crafted combination of ingredients designed to provide maximum health benefits. Let's break down why this bowl is a winner. Each component has been selected for its unique nutritional profile and health benefits. From lean proteins to healthy fats, and from complex carbohydrates to essential vitamins and minerals, this bowl has it all. Chicken, a lean protein powerhouse that provides the building blocks for muscle repair and growth. It's not just about the protein. Chicken is also rich in essential amino acids that your body needs to function optimally. Plus, it's versatile and can be seasoned in countless ways to keep your meals exciting. Quinoa, a complete protein and a good source of carbohydrates for sustained energy. Unlike other grains, quinoa contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a perfect plant-based protein source. It's also high in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps keep you feeling full longer. Veggies, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to support overall health. Each vegetable brings its own set of nutrients to the table. For example, leafy greens like spinach are high in iron and calcium, while colorful bell peppers are loaded with vitamin C. Together, they create a nutrient-dense, vibrant medley that not only tastes great but also boosts your immune system. Olive oil, a healthy fat that aids in nutrient absorption and reduces inflammation. It's rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, particularly vitamin E, which is great for skin health. Drizzling a bit of olive oil over your bowl not only enhances the flavor, but also helps your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins from the vegetables. And lemon juice, which adds a burst of flavor and vitamin C, great for immune support. The acidity of lemon juice also helps in the absorption of iron from plant-based foods, making it a perfect addition to this nutrient-packed bowl. Plus, its refreshing taste can elevate the overall flavor profile of your meal, making it not just healthy, but also incredibly delicious. Section 6. Muscles Rejoice. Recovery Mode activated. This power bowl is specifically designed to help your muscles recover after a workout. The protein in chicken provides the amino acids needed to repair muscle tissue, while the carbohydrates in quinoa replenish glycogen stores, giving you energy for your next workout. The healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals from the veggies and olive oil further support your body's recovery process. Section 7. Jamie's Pro Tip. Spice up your bowl. Don't be afraid to get creative and customize your bowl to your liking. Here are some ideas to make your meal not only nutritious but also exciting and full of flavor. Add some heat with a sprinkle of chili flakes. These tiny red flakes can transform a bland dish into a spicy delight, perfect for those who love a bit of kick in their meals. Or, if you're a fan of sauces, a dollop of sriracha can fire up your taste buds. This popular hot sauce not only adds heat, but also a tangy flavor that complements a variety of ingredients. Go nutty with toasted almonds or walnuts. These nuts add a delightful crunch and are packed with healthy fats and protein, making your bowl more satisfying and nutritious. Or, for a different kind of crunch, try adding pumpkin seeds. They are not only crunchy, but also rich in magnesium, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids, contributing to your overall health. Get saucy with a dollop of Greek yogurt. This creamy addition is not only delicious, but also packed with probiotics and protein, which can aid in digestion and keep you feeling full longer. Or, if you prefer a plant-based option, hummus is a fantastic choice. It adds creaminess and extra protein, making your bowl both tasty and nutritious. Plus, it's a great way to incorporate more legumes into your diet. Don't forget the fresh herbs. Adding a handful of chopped cilantro, parsley, or basil can elevate the flavors of your bowl, making it vibrant and aromatic. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice can add a zesty brightness to your bowl, balancing out the flavors and adding a refreshing touch. And for those who love creamy textures, adding slices of ripe avocado can make your bowl rich and satisfying, while also providing healthy fats and fiber. Remember, the key to a delicious and nutritious bowl is variety. Mix and match these ingredients to find your perfect combination. Enjoy the process of creating a meal that's uniquely yours. Section 8. Ready, set, refuel. Share your Power Bowl experience. So there you have it, a simple, delicious, and nutritious post-workout meal that will have you feeling energized and ready to tackle your day. Give this chicken and quinoa Power Bowl a try and let me know what you think. Share your creations on social media and tag me at Jamie Oliver. I love seeing your culinary masterpieces.